Got one. All right, come on. Oh yeah. Big one right there. Whew. Number 5. Oh yeah. That's the easiest way to catch right here. You don't have to go far. It's a couple of feet in the water and that's it. Okay, let's try it over there. The fish are pretty much all over the place. Let's try it over here. Oh, yeah, right over there. Come on. Lot number 6. Fish number 6. Oh, got him. Oh, that's a nice one right here. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, got him, got him, got him.
Get it again, huh?
Number 7. 3 more.
They're all about the same size?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, because the flood, all the water rising up to the weeds. Yeah, they're all coming up to the weeds. And I think they might be spawning too.
Really? That first time I ever tried, this guy I worked with, John.
John?
Yeah, John.
Asian?
Yeah.
John Cha?
Yeah, works on base.
Uh,
I don't know if that's his last name.
no, I don't know. I don't think that's.
He works for AECOM.
No, I don't think I know him. Then.
He's an Asian though.
John. Well, the guy I knew, he doesn't work on base. Oh man, my hook came out and now it's snag onto my.
Told me to go to the north end, to through the weeds, and try them there.
Yeah, you should be able to catch them out there.
Apparently, I'm just not doing it right.
I don't think there is no right way of doing it. You're just gonna have to be patient. Just throw it in there, cast it in there, and leave it in there and wiggle it every now and then reel it in a little bit if nothing hits.
Well, the thing he told me to use is a lot smaller than that one.
The fish?
No, the jig.
Oh, the jigs? Yeah, it should work. This is pretty small. So you got a smaller jig than this?
Yeah, it's just a little teeny shrimp like that big.
Oh, shrimp. Well, this is all I use, and this is pretty much the same color I always use. The color that produces the most.
I think that's about the green's about the same color as the one I got, but it's just not that big.
Well, you want to try one? You want to try one of my jig?
Kill it. I just like watching you catch them.
Oh, it's fun though. I mean, I didn't make it very long because of the weed. I only made them this long, and I just drop it right there in the weeds, and they're all hiding in there. Oh, I'll go catch 3 more. Ooh, got him. That's a pretty good one. Number 7, I think. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. There's a fish right there. Alright. Just right there. Okay, 10. Going home. Let's see that catch. Oh, it's just right there, right in front of me. Ouch. Grab the hook. There it is. My last fish. Number 10. Time to go home. Wow, what a day. Way nice. Got my limit. There it is. What a day's work. It's that World Bay crappies. Really nice. Oh, cold.